of us beginner, definitely you can rock this with no issue at all. And I know you can really get this down easy. And just give it a couple of coat because this is really pigmented, and I'll let it set. And again, for all of you tuning in, we are gonna using number crystal clear number 12. So you don't need to get another brush or anything else to really create the marble or to create the veins. All you need is your crystal clear number 12. So I'm gonna pick up just a little bit. You can see that it's set, and I'm gonna do it, just dab it and kind of guide the fusioning toward to the center or to wherever you want your vein to be. Like if you want your vein to be on the edges, and you just dab it like on both ends and both sides and guide it to the way you want it. And you will never go wrong with this, I promise. Just wipe off your bristles before you dip it back in to your crystal clear to avoiding is contaminate and bringing like this color back into the bottle, because you are going to use it for all different colors on yours fusionings kit.
Yep, I think Bella's working along with you.
Oh, Bella's tuning with me. Bella's, you want me to add you on? Just excited because
yes, Alicia, I do believe we still have the treasure back on the website.
Yes, we're so excited. Besides, you got to see us and our amazing BA team on the virtuals, tutorials weekly, and you also can get to see us. We would love to see you and meet you in person at ABS Chicago, and then we are also going to premiere Orlando in October the 18th and the 19th as well. So we are so excited, extremely excited to get to see you in person, and to get to share with you all the different tip and trick. If you have any question you might have, please save it and ask us. We're gonna be at the booths, and we can't not wait to see everyone. All right, it's really cool though. You can do it thinner as you want to, less veins, however you want. It doesn't matter. It's just like how you and your client, or if you want more vein, absolutely. I'm happy with this. Let it set. You see that how much I wipe it up on the papers, and I promise if you get one colors, make sure you are getting your bestie, which is crystal clear and a matte top coat. This will definitely gonna set your veining of fusioning is off really easy, and it's easy to blend and flowing with. Okay, so we are going to do what number now? Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll do 7. All right, doesn't matter. This color is gonna look good in that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ooh, there's a lot of things you can do with that.
Huh?
You do, let's say either 2 or 6.
1 is good too.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so start with the bestie. Condensed glue gels, really thick density, so you just need a little bit. Just make sure you blend it because it's really thick. You don't want it using a lot, it might be too much. Also, you also don't want to do too little because it might be not enough. So give it yourself a couple of times and you will get a hang of it. No white top coat on the top, and this is from our crystal Trifecta. So I'm gonna floating on it. I'm not going to drag it because it's gonna pull all my condensed glue gels away, because the condensed glue gel is still wet underneath. So you're floating on the top, and then now we're gonna, what number is now?
You can do 2 or 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 right here. Okay, 6.
Stickers stand out really nice too.
6. You know what? I think this one stand out. This one. Like, you know what? If you have 3 kids,
You have plenty of options.
you have so many options. That's how I use 3 kids to create it. But if you have one, that is absolutely awesome as well. Just for your preference, because you know what? Such a great, amazing price for the promotion. And plus, if you get 3 kids, a lot of you, I know that you pick up 3 kids. And it's like, I'm not missing it. And then you get another free condensed glue gel. So you are, make sure you're stocking up for the holidays coming up. You're getting everything you need. Glitz love to, able to doing a lot of special for Glitz lover because of the amazing love and support. And we love to give it to everyone instead of just one person. And why is that? Because then you're able to get a lot of products with really good price, and also you can save it, and you can do it. Either you can run promotion for your clients, or you can give it early bird special for your clients. For instance, if your client is, you need to fill up the spot, a couple spots that you want to able to couldn't fill it up, and you can able to offer a special nail art. Don't have to give the clients like $30 nail art or whatever, but then at least you can give the clients a beautiful, like even the simple of halo designs to just really fulfill your clients' need and request. And also you can able to fill in the spots by running small promotion. So that's the purpose of it. So then you can save it and using the special kits from Glitz that you get at discount to able to promoting for your business. So you weren't afraid of like, oh my God, I'm giving it free for clients. The client's gonna love it, because then they start getting their nail designs as they are start weighing. Even the first start, it's little design before they're like getting dramatics. It's really beautiful. You know what I love that is the fusioning on the background. It looks really stunning as well. All right, looks really cool though. I'm loving it. Loving every single of it. If you're happy with this, we are going to clear, but I am happy, but I still want to add more crystals. That's the reason why you have a whole kit with 9,000 crystal, and you will never have to hesitate to add some more to create your beautiful designs. So I am happy with this. I'm going to clear for 60 seconds.